Hey, how's it going? Nice to hear from you again. Nice, but I got more of a friend vibe from the day, didn't you?
VIP, we don't do no hold up. Get you.
Hey, darling, I ain't seen you in forever.
Uh-huh.
It's just
Okay. City in the way.
Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
Yeah, meetings every day. It's bullshit, man. I fantasize about killing every one of those fuckers in rehab.
Don't be a stranger here. They shut it down.
Hey, Franklin, why don't you come over here and let me take care of that lonely ass?
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck? Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
All right, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh, man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
I used to drive that all white Beamer. I had to get that pussy so it was cleaner.
10-9, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
Said 10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss. His loss. Yo gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
Okay, I seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in. Aight, baby. Back it up nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopehead. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby.
I'm rich, successful, and throwing it all away on multiple women. I'm drowning in pussy. It's terrible.
Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place.
Available in the discount bin at bookstores everywhere. Weasel News.
That's whack.
Car carnage in Pillbox Hill.
An upsurge in armed...
Yeah. You know how I like it.
Look, enough with that shit, all right?
Ain't a crime to let my man know where it's at. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me.
Motorsports come under investigation for loan scams and high interest rate
Now,
financing.
where is that fool?
Police that this incident was purely an accident and not a disgruntled customer. One